Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to connect to Koodo Internet. First, unpack your Koodo Internet modem and Wi-Fi 6 router, along with all the included cables and power adapters. Now locate the coaxial wall outlet in your home. This is the cable connection that provides internet service to the modem. Next, connect one end of the coaxial cable to the connector on the back of the modem. Then connect the other end of the coaxial cable to the wall outlet. If you also need to connect a TV to the same outlet, you may need a cable splitter. After that, connect the power cable to the modem. Now plug the other end of the power cable into a power outlet and turn the modem on if needed. Wait while the modem starts up. During this process, the lights on the modem will flash and change as it connects to the network. Once the modem is fully connected, the status lights should become solid green. Next, take the supplied Ethernet cable. Connect the purple end of the Ethernet cable to the purple port on the Wi-Fi 6 router. Then connect the other end of the Ethernet cable to a LAN port on the modem. Now connect the router's power cable. Plug one end into the Wi-Fi 6 router and the other end into a power outlet. The router will begin starting up. You may see flashing green or purple lights while it initializes. Wait a few minutes for the setup process to finish. When the light on the router becomes solid green, the router is ready to use. Now look at the label on the bottom of the router. Here you will find the default Wi-Fi network name and password. Open the Wi-Fi settings on your phone, tablet, or computer and connect to the Wi-Fi network using those credentials. If you want to view or change the Wi-Fi settings, open a web browser on a connected device. Then enter the router's IP address shown on the label or documentation. Log in using the router admin password provided with the device. From there you can change the Wi-Fi name, update the password, manage connected devices, and customize other network settings. Once connected, open a website or stream a video to confirm that your Koodo internet service is working properly. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.